Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for an e-visa to Azerbaijan step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So my intention is to show you just to how to use this service, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so guys, e-visas are becoming popular. More and more countries are migrating to e-visa, and it's gonna be the future, right? Where you can apply at your own time, at your ease, from your own convenience. Fine, and this is gonna boost tourism too to the country. So, Republic of Azerbaijan, this is official electronic visa portal. So, if you come to this place, they have defined the steps, three-step: application, payment, and then download. Now the very first thing comes to, like, if your country is eligible or not. So if you see about e-visa, they have the list of countries eligible for e-visa. So take a look. Let's say you are from India, you are eligible. Next question is about frequently asked question about, like, advantages, how long. So 90 days validity they give. Family application, they have also said minimum maximum number, and if you have more than 10 people, how you can do. And if you want to create a group application, so there is a service fee that's not gonna be refunded. So that we see in every country nowadays, except for Japan. That's it. All right. So now let's go through it. So let's apply for single entry visa. So they have COVID restrictions and other things. So you need to be agree to this before you can apply. So the very first thing is nationality. So I'm just gonna select a sample. Let's say you are from India. Ah. Travel document, passport, ordinary passport, number of entries, verification code, and continue. I'm gonna enter the next is the purpose of visit. I select tourism. So you want a standard or urgent processing. So if I go for urgent, then they disable this option. If I go for standard, they ask for this information. Visa is valid from 90 days for 29 days. Your application, your stay cannot exceed 30 days. So you have to come out in 30 days. Okay, beginning in both they show, and fee also to 25 USD. Visa fee plus service fee. Continue. You need to read and understand. The surname, date of birth, country, place, occupation, phone, mobile, permanent, email, passport details, accommodation, copy of passport. Then in the next they'll verify your email. Then they will verify your then you have to verify your then at the end you will be paying the fee after verifying your data, and if it is approved, you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.